So, as you may know, or have heard, I say these 6 words constantly. Nothing can prove story doesn't exist. Nothing. And then, story is always talking to itself, isn't it? Quite amazing. It's ordinary. It's simple. It's not about truth. It's not about lies. It's not about fact or fiction. It's about story. And story is always talking to itself. In fact, it gets even more simpler or simpler. It gets simpler than that. It's talking by itself. I mean, can anyone really prove that they're doing the talking, that they are doing the story? I mean, it's like AI trying to prove it's doing the story, because all it would do is assemble a sentence, because it's not sentient. It will assemble a sentence which is story. And if someone tries to prove that they aren't, or it isn't by itself story, that they are doing the story, what would they use? It's still story talking by itself, to itself. And it's not about the hearing, is it? It's not about what you hear. It's about what's being told. Because you can't even hear as a human being. You can't hear the story. You get told the story, and then you may repeat it. Or, which is still story, repeating is still story. You may repeat it, or you may express it in some form of voice. You might megaphone it, but it's still not you megaphoning it, because even the repetition of story itself is by itself story. It's simply inescapable. It's unbelievable. It's like just there, isn't it? It seems to be there somewhere, but the moment you try to point to where it is, it's using itself to even do the pointing. And what's the point then? Well, there you go. Even saying what's the point then is still story, talking to itself, by itself. It's all done by itself. There is nothing. There is nothing that can prove story doesn't exist. That's moving the burden of proof to a void, isn't it? But even the mention of moving the burden of proof is still itself story talking to itself. You see, it's quite incredible. It's hard to explain, because the explanation would itself be story. Anyway, story just thought you could say this. In fact, you are saying it, and I am saying it, and anything that says it is story. It could be said this way. Story is story, and nothing else can exist. Now, the word exist is funny, isn't it? Because when you say nothing else exists, you start to picture all the things that do exist except for story. And how do you describe those things that exist? In fact, how do you describe the word exist? Go ahead. Explain exist without using the only thing that exists. Story. Okay, that was fun.